In a world constantly in motion where time never stands still, the Hoverpen Traverse becomes more than just a writing instrument. It's a reminder of the continuous flow of ideas. Inspired by the universe's helical motion, its sleek, smooth design reflects the harmony of forward momentum. Crafted for the dynamic individual, the Traverse is built for those who move fast and think faster. Its ultra-light 35-gram body makes it a perfect companion for life on the go. Lighter than a pair of AirPods with their charging case. Craving something cold and creamy without the weight or mess? The Dash My Mug ice cream maker delivers single-serve frozen desserts with precision and ease. After freezing the base for 24 hours, you can whip up ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or frozen yogurt in as little as 20 minutes. Just load your ingredients and press start. It's built for convenience and creativity, offering a dedicated ingredient chute that lets you stir in cookies, fruit, or chocolate chips to make each batch uniquely yours. The Denon AVR X18000H is a powerhouse AV receiver, designed to elevate your home entertainment experience with exceptional 8K video and immersive audio. Perfect for small to medium-sized rooms, this receiver offers a versatile 7.2/5.2.2 channel configuration with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, delivering a cinematic soundscape that surrounds you from every angle. Enhanced with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ pass-through, the AVR X18000H step into a new dimension of atmosphere and creativity with the Kino, a striking retro-modern effects projector that brings the magic of analog light shows into the heart of your home. Inspired by the vibrant energy of the 70s but built with today's sustainable materials and LED technology, the Kino is your gateway to swirling visuals, dynamic color shifts, and pure creative freedom. The Xgimi Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This ultra-compact device supports 1080p resolution with 4K input, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations. The projector's 600 ISO lumens provide bright and vivid images, even in well-lit rooms, while the HDR10 technology enhances color and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Elevate your creative process with the DAP Key, a powerful tool designed for those who value efficiency and precision. With 20 fully customizable keys and 5 versatile knobs, this device provides seamless control over your workflow, allowing you to switch between up to 10 different software commands effortlessly. Its sleek OLED display offers clear, real-time feedback, ensuring you're always in the know, whether you're working on intricate designs or complex projects. The Nikasa Kitchen Composter is designed to streamline the composting process with convenience and efficiency. Featuring a 12-liter capacity, it can handle up to 3.5 pounds of waste per day, allowing you to go over 10 days without the need for waste disposal. The result is more than 7.5 pounds of nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, which can support sustainable gardening or lawn care. What sets this composter apart is its ability to complete the composting process in just 48 hours. The Sunco Sunshine Fair Infrared Electric Heater is designed to offer efficient and quiet heating for various indoor spaces. Unlike conventional space heaters, it utilizes far infrared technology to heat the room directly by warming objects and people rather than the air, providing a more natural and comfortable warmth. This feature ensures energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining a consistent and gentle heat throughout the room. Equipped with a thermostat, the heater allows precise temperature control, making it ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, garages, and offices. The POW Audio Mo collapsible magnetic Bluetooth speaker brings impressive sound quality in a compact, versatile design. Featuring a 10-watt output, it delivers crisp, clear audio for various environments, whether indoors or outdoors. The speaker's collapsible design makes it highly portable, allowing you to easily store or carry it while traveling. With a robust 100-foot Bluetooth range, you can move around freely while enjoying uninterrupted music. Step into a realm where technology and ambiance converge to elevate your living space. Exoy One. Designed to transform how you interact with light, Exoy One combines advanced AI features with artistic design to craft a truly immersive environment. With a sleek, futuristic aesthetic, it turns any room into a haven of endless possibilities. At the heart of Exoy One is its groundbreaking AI-powered lighting system, which tailors the environment to match your moods, music, and personal preferences. The fellow Espresso Series 1 marks a significant expansion in the company's lineup, stepping into the world of espresso machines with a product designed for both newcomers and experienced baristas. With a price tag of $1,500, it's positioned within the higher-end market, but offers exceptional value through its customizable features. Unlike many competitors, the Series 1 allows full control over brewing parameters, including temperature, pressure, extraction time, and steaming. The MLR Digital Kitchen Food Scale offers precision and convenience, ideal for baking, cooking, or meal prepping. With a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, it ensures accurate weight measurements for both large and small quantities. Its chargeable LED display provides clear and bright readings in ounces and grams, making it easy to use in any kitchen environment. The scale is equipped with a USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting power without the need for frequent battery replacements. Roam X is an innovative E-Wagon that blends the convenience of remote control with the practicality of outdoor exploration. Featuring dual motors capable of producing up to 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly handles a load of up to 440 pounds, ensuring you can carry gear on all your adventures without the usual strain. Whether navigating uphill or downhill, Roam X's intelligent speed control adjusts automatically, providing smooth handling without compromising safety. Carrying just what you need has never been this effortless. The Hyoto MagSafe swappable wallet redefines everyday convenience with its mindfully slim, precision-crafted form. Designed with sustainability at its core, this wallet ensures your essentials are always secure without unnecessary bulk. Thanks to its MagSafe compatibility, the Hyoto wallet connects seamlessly to your iPhone, offering a flawless snap every time. Mirage SandArt offers an innovative way to experience sound in a visual form, using vibrations to shape sand into mesmerizing patterns. Through cymatics, sound waves become visible, transforming into intricate designs and offering a unique perspective on the forces that surround us. Process is simple but profound. Vibrations from sound waves interact with sand, creating dynamic patterns that appear to dance and flow in real time. The Async H7 eBike stands as a top-tier option for those seeking versatility and performance. With a premium carbon fiber frame and handlebar, the Async H7 combines strength and lightweight construction, offering a sleek, geometrically balanced design that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. It features a powerful 960 watt-hour Samsung 21700 removable battery, capable of a maximum range of 50 miles with throttle alone and up to 100 miles with pedal assist. The Vcopter Falcon Mini offers a cutting-edge, compact design that combines advanced drone technology with superior flight performance. Engineered with a V-shaped bicopter configuration, this drone stands out for its unique structure and agility in the air. Powered by a robust 50-minute flight time, it allows users to capture breathtaking aerial shots with an impressive 4K video camera mounted on a stable 3-axis gimbal. The Kosori electric Gooseneck kettle blends advanced functionality with sleek design, making it an essential tool for those who value precision in their brewing routine. With a 0.8-liter capacity, it efficiently meets the needs of pour-over coffee enthusiasts. Its 1200-watt heating element ensures quick boiling while maintaining accuracy to within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit, thanks to an intelligent base with a built-in temperature control program. In a world where companionship meets cutting-edge intelligence, Rapet stands out as an emotionally aware AI robot pet crafted to be more than a gadget. It's a loyal friend. Engineered with lifelike charm and tactile warmth, Rapet brings a layer of comfort into daily life. Using state-of-the-art visual recognition, it distinguishes familiar faces and mirrors your emotions, creating a sense of presence that feels personal. Whether you're smiling or still, Rapet sees you and responds in kind. Unlock seamless control with the cutting-edge CLVX1, a next-gen keyboard engineered for precision, speed, and adaptability. Built for the modern workflow, it fuses mechanical typing with intuitive gesture navigation. No more toggling between devices or modes. With smart, integrated tech, your fingers never need to leave the keyboard. The CLVX1 lets you work faster, cleaner, and smarter. Precision takes form in this compact powerhouse of optics, built for photographers who won't compromise when space is tight and clarity is critical. With a 400mm focal length and 12 times magnification, this lens delivers long-range performance in a tight form factor. Whether you're capturing wildlife from a distance or isolating urban details, its reach gets you closer without taking a step forward. Engineered with 11 elements arranged in 8 groups, this lens ensures minimal distortion. This is not another gadget. It's a professional-grade control interface engineered for creators, coders, and power users who demand more from their workspace. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, the Modu controller combines form and function without compromise. Every detail is made to refine your experience. High-resolution touchscreen, motorized potentiometers for tactile control, vibrant RGB LEDs for visual feedback, and seamless integration with your favorite tools. The GVUS G3 Max revolutionizes your viewing experience with its massive 1,000-inch IMAX-style display, offering a level of immersion that's hard to match. Designed for those who demand the best, it features a dual 2.5K micro OLED screen, delivering crystal-clear visuals with no edge blurriness or screen door effect. With a field of view of 65 degrees and an impressive 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees sharp, vivid images from edge to edge. The Livescribe Symphony is a cutting-edge smart pen that seamlessly merges traditional handwriting with modern technology. Designed to capture everything you write, draw, and hear, this pen connects effortlessly to your smartphone, tablet, or computer, offering the perfect blend of paper and digital convenience. The integration with the Livescribe Plus app transforms your notes, making them interactive and easier to manage. As you write, the Symphony records audio in tandem, allowing you to revisit any part of your notes with precision. Mastering the piano is now within reach for anyone, regardless of experience. Gone are the days when learning required years of formal lessons or an expensive teacher. Today, you can quickly become proficient with smart accompaniment through an intuitive app that helps you play effortlessly, even with just one hand. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some knowledge, this innovative method allows you to play complex piano pieces with ease. When it comes to miniature tech with character, the Tiny TV 2 and the Tiny TV Mini deliver an unbeatable punch. Roughly the size of a matchbox, these fully functional TVs arrive preloaded with videos and ready to entertain straight out of the box. No assembly needed, just flip the switch and enjoy. Whether you opt for the nostalgia of the Tiny TV 2 or the unbelievably small Tiny TV Mini, you're stepping into a world of charm and functionality. Born from centuries of refinement in elite oral care, this tool reshapes modern hygiene with ancient precision. Forged from Yugi, a revered copper alloy used by traditional artisans, this tongue scraper ensures a clean, refreshed mouth every time. At 5.9 inches long and precision curved for optimal reach, it gently sweeps away buildup, revitalizing your breath and restoring balance to your oral ecosystem. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted, designed with purpose and respect for time-honored wellness rituals. Redefining what it means to work in comfort, the Kofo Zero Gravity Monitor Arm Pro blends elegant precision with powerhouse performance. Designed with a minimalist aesthetic rooted in Japanese engineering, this monitor arm invites balance and control into your workspace. At its core lies a revolutionary double mechanical spring system that holds up to 30 pounds of weight, supporting monitors up to 40 inches with zero compromise in stability. From the first press of the button, the Zeronic X responds with commanding energy, fueled by its powerful impulse motor that delivers deep, efficient cleaning without compromise. Whether you need a gentle daily refresh or a high-intensity flush, it adapts instantly with 3 intelligent modes designed to meet personal care needs with precision. Changing tasks, the easily swap nozzles feature keeps you in control. Switch effortlessly between different nozzle types for gum care, braces, or a full mouth cleanse. Shifting how you approach comfort and function, this chair-table hybrid builds versatility into every inch. Designed for those who refuse to stay confined to one spot, it blends transformable comfort with utility and seamless mobility. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, sketching in a park, or letting your cat curl up next to you mid-read, it adapts to fit the moment. The armrests aren't just static supports, they fold down and lock into several angles, letting you lounge or sit upright, your choice. Designed for maximum efficiency in a minimal form, the Gravity McGreel Light merges durability with everyday utility. Whether you're navigating the outdoors, managing daily commutes, or working hands-on, this retractable reel offers just the right balance of strength and function without weighing you down. Weighing just 5.2 ounces, it remains incredibly light while handling loads up to the same amount, ideal for keys, tools, or gadgets. From online meetings to high-quality streaming, camera placement determines your professional presence. The Mag 2 offers a seamless solution, securely mounting your USB-C webcam anywhere along your monitor without damaging your screen. Built with a precision-engineered magnetic system, this mount balances strength and safety, anchoring to screens up to 0.75 inches thick without leaving marks or pressure dents. Unlike clunky mounts or adhesive solutions, the Mag 2 delivers a clean, floating look with total flexibility. Edisonap 2-in-1 telescope offers a unique fusion of stargazing and astrophotography in a single compact package. This advanced telescope is engineered for both amateur astronomers and aspiring astrophotographers, providing a seamless way to explore the night sky and capture stunning celestial images. Its built-in camera enhances the user experience, allowing for high-quality visual functions, while the star tracking system ensures smooth and precise tracking of celestial objects. In the chaos of travel or a spontaneous moment outdoors, having a reliable tripod you can trust isn't always guaranteed, unless you've got the YogaPod. Built to be flat, durable, and astonishingly compact, the YogaPod is a refreshing reimagining of the mini tripod. Its precision-machined body tucks neatly into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ready whenever the moment calls. What makes it different? It can hold your camera vertically without needing a bulky ball head.